front of me is Motorola Moto G87, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and tap on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, don't worry, just click on gear 1. Select voice typing here and use this switcher to activate it. When you're ready, go back to your keyboard and tap on a no visible microphone. Then hit while using the app and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. Now my favorite part. Tap on your microphone and then select tiny icon right next to it. This one. Hit next. Select done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To move your toolbar around, hold it, drag it, and place it. If you want to manage some available options, use those 3 lines on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, use keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!